Students, I'm going to discuss the next line of the second poem, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. The second stanza, last two lines goes like this: a narrow street sealed in with a lead sky. For far, far from rivers, caves, and stars of words. Now you may find the last two lines, it's very, very important. It's a mockery or making a fun of about the slum area, about the children living in the slum area, about their lives. You may see, you may feel a narrow street, sealed in with lead sky, far, far from rivers, caves, and stars of words. So you may find how the people in slum area live. The way they live, the way their place is, it's narrow street. If you have ever gone to a slum area, you may have seen, you may have found narrow streets. You may have found muddy roads, full of heaps of garbage, full of heaps of waste materials put here and there. And people there living in a primitive style, because animals and human, they live together as if they are the family members. So the children of this slum area also live a life which is just like primitive. They don't know the new technology, they don't know about television, they do not know about any new thing which is introduced to humankind. They do not know about aeroplanes, they do not know about ships, they do not know about the latest advancement in science and technology, because they are deprived of these things, because they are the marginalized section of the society, because they are not added to the mainstream of society. Their area, their life is only that slum area. There they grow, there they born, there they grow, and eventually there they die, achieving nothing in their life. The books which they study, actually, they do not study the books. They do discuss about their father's disease, I told you. So, what they study? They study about the life. They study about the problems of life. They do talk about the problems, the poverty they face. And they do not talk about the lines written on their walls. They do not talk about the star of words, because in the whole world, no one is there to talk to them in the best manner. People look at them with hatred. People look at them with consolation, because they think that these children living in the slum area and studying in this slum area school, they are deprived of everything, that they do not need good treatment. And that's why the society refuses these children as the member of the society. These children are excommunicated. They feel as if they are discriminated. They are excommunicated from the main society, from the mainstream of life. Because you have seen the last two lines. The sky is called lead sky. It's a metaphor used by Stephen Spender, and you have seen a narrow street sealed in with a lead sky, far, far from rivers, caves, and stars of words. Now, what is far, far from? The use of alliteration can simply be seen in the last line of the second stanza, which is in page number 93. You may see in page number 93, the second stanza, the last line, the use of alliteration by Stephen Spender, far, far from. The slum area is far, far away from rivers, from caves, from stars of words. Now, what is the meaning of cape? The mountain top is called cape. The highest peak is called cape. These children have never been to a valley full of flowers. These children have never walked on the beaches. These children have never seen any river or any sea. They have taken birth in the slum area. They grow up there and they die there. So see the emotion, the affection shown by Stephen Spender. He has shown the harsh reality of life. He has shown the true picture of the slum area and the children living there in the slum area. You may feel that these children have never dreamed of caves. These children have never dreamed of mountain peaks. These children have never seen any types of good things in their life. Because their life starts with fog, it moves into endless night. Here, fog is equal to confusion. Here, fog is equal to poverty. Here, fog is equal to perplexed poverty. And an endless night means the pessimism, the despairness, the disappointment which is created by poverty. A poor does never be happy. A poor cannot remain as cheerful as a rich person. A cheer is a must for these children also, but who will bring cheer for them? Who will bring happiness for them? Who will bring these children into light of life? These children have never heard two words of love, care, and affection. They are the victim of hatred everywhere around this world. They are treated like outcasts. They are treated like animals. They are treated like dead things. So, this is how they are treated by the world. What is their problem? What is their fault? If they are born in slum area in a poor family, don't they deserve good treatment at the hands of everyone? Is it their fault that they are born in a poor family in a slum area? Don't they deserve good education? Don't they deserve good words of love? Don't they deserve emotion, affection, care, and attention? What is their fault? These questions are raised by Stephen Spender. In the third stanza, we'll see how he raises his voice against the bad treatment done to these children, because they are also born and brought up as other children. The difference is that they are poor and the others are rich. Let's check out in the next class that what happens to these children. Thank you very much.